question, Varun and Parineeti. Jaane Mana, was this a teaser to expect something more out of the both of y'all? Maybe Jaane Mana movie?
I think it's too early to talk about that right now. But obviously I would love to work with her, and I'm guessing she'd like to work with me.
True.
We've actually done 9 ads together.
Yeah, that's true.
The first ad I ever did, not the first, but I think we both did this campaign called VChat together, where we did 9 ads together, and we never got cast in a film. And now again we've done a song together, a very special one.
Yeah, we're just trying to get cast. I think we're just
hopefully some director will pick us up and we will be working together soon.
Parineeti?
One last question we'll take.
Parineeti, on your left. Yeah.
Yes,
Hi. Great to see you back. Did you miss... Yeah, after 1.5 years.
I was just in the gym. I was nowhere else.
So did you miss seeing yourself on a big screen?
Yeah, of course. I mean, the way I entered the industry, I did like 4 films back to back, and obviously I was, like you said, very used to seeing myself. But the kind of person I am, I'm really not as filmy as all these guys are. I come from a very different discipline, and I've lived my life in a very different way. So I myself needed that, even that emotional break, a little bit. I know it sounds stupid because I'm so new that I needed a break, but I really did. I needed to just kind of settle down mentally.
You felt like burnt out, kind of?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, strangely I did, because it's such a different world for me. I come from the world of banking and academics, and for me to just be in front of cameras all the time and, have that pressure and just answer your questions. I was always happy, but inside I was always like, I needed to just sort some things out, which I feel now. Like now the kind of dedication and now the kind of concentration I have on my work is only because of this break. And of course I wanted to work on my body. So I really wanted to wear better clothes and, not worry about anything. So yeah, this 1-year break was really amazing. Like, it's the best thing that has happened to me. And now, like, when I work, it's just so beautiful. Like,
you can wear shorts now.
I can wear shorts. I can wear sleeveless.
I love wearing shorts.
Well, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for...